Facing the Safari cannot open page error on your iPhone, it's frustrating, right? This problem can happen for several reasons, like network issues or incorrect settings. Don't worry, I'll guide you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive in. Solution 1. Troubleshoot internet connection. Swipe down from the top. Enable airplane mode for 10 seconds. Now turn it off. Ensure you're connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. Open another app like YouTube to see if it works out or not. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to cellular data or vice versa. Solution 2. Clear Safari cache and data. Open settings on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Apps. Scroll down. Tap on Safari. Scroll down. Tap Advanced and select Website Data. Tap Edit. Scroll down. Tap Remove all website data. Confirm your selection. Solution 3. Restart Safari. Close the Safari app by swiping up from the swipe up on the Safari app preview to close it. Reopen Safari and try accessing the page again. After that, restart your iPhone. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open settings on your iPhone. Tap General. Scroll down. Select Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Now that you've gone through these steps, you should be able to fix the Safari cannot open page error on your iPhone. If the problem continues, feel free to reach out to Apple support for more help.